Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 13.2 question number 6. A contractor estimates that 3 persons would rewire Jamindar's house in 4 days. If he uses 4 persons instead of 3, how long would they take to complete the job? Let us take the information in a table. Here the number of persons, number of days. When the number of persons are 3, number of days it takes is 4 days. When the number of persons is 4, let the number of days it would take is Bx, right? Now you see the number of persons here, the number of persons and the number of days are in inverse proportion. Here, right? Here the number of days, the number of persons, the number of persons, and the number of days, and the number of days, the number of persons and the number of days to complete the job, to complete the job, are in inverse proportion. Therefore, you can write 3 into 4 is equal to 4 into x, or x can be written as 3 into 4 divided by 4. This 4 will cancel and the value of x will be 3. The value of x is equal to 3. You find that the value of x is equal to 3. How long they should take to complete the job? Therefore, they should take 4 days. They should take 3 days. They should take 3 days to complete the job. To complete the job. Right, here also we are finding that the number of persons and the number of days to complete the job are in inverse proportion. Therefore, you can write 3 into 4 is equal to 4 into x. The value of x is equal to 3. So we can say that they should take 3 days to complete the job. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.